Hello Analytics Funners, welcome to Analytics Fun again. As you guys know that we are making the video series of the Python interview questions, and so that you guys can prepare for your interviews and can succeed in your interview. So let us move to the question. So here is the next question for you. Let us read the question. Write a Python program to check if a number is an even number or a odd number. So you need to write a program to check the number is an even or an odd. Okay. So we will solve this question with two steps. In step 1, we will define what is even or an odd. And in step 2, we will implement the code in Python. So now moving to the definition of the even number. An even number is an integer that can be divided exactly by 2. So examples such as -2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So when you divide any number by 2, that should not give you any kind of remainder. For example, if you divide 4 by 2, so there is no remainder if you divide 4 by 2 or 6 by 2. It can be a negative number also. For example, -4 by 2. Okay. So any such number which is divisible by 2 is an even number. Now coming to the odd number. So odd number is that cannot be divided exactly by 2 and it should be an integer also. For example, -3, -1, 1, 5. These are odd numbers. Okay. When you divide by 2, for example, if you divide 5 divided by 2, then you will get like this, like 2 2s are 4 and the remainder is 1. So the remainder part is very important and we will utilize this property in Python also. So one thing which you will notice that if you divide any even number by 2, for example 8 divided by 2, so 2 4s are 8 and 8, remainder is 0. So always an even number produce a remainder of 0 when you divide it by 2. And when you do the same thing for an odd number, for example 7 divided by 2, 2 3s are 6 and the remainder is 1. So when you always divide an odd number, the remainder is 1, and we will utilize this property when we will code in Python. So now let us move to the coding part in Python. Now I am on the Google Chrome and you can use this particular compiler which is created by Programmis to code it, and you will find this link in the description below. Okay. We will start with the input of the number from the user. So let's call that number as x equal to input, enter any integer. Okay, and you can run it. But as you guys know, like this input function will create an integer in the form of string. So you need to change it in the form of integer. So we can do this by writing int before this input and then run it. Now if you enter any integer such as 8, enter it. So that's working fine, like the Python shell or the result is accepting it. Okay. Now we need to calculate the remainder when this number is divided by 2. So we will create a variable name as remainder equal to x %2. So this percentage, or it is also known as modulus operator in Python, you can use this percentage operator to catch the remainder. Let's check it whether it is calculating the remainder right or not. We will print this remainder and run this code again. So suppose I enter 8 here again and enter it. Now you can see the remainder is 0. Let us run it again. Print, enter any integer. Now I enter 7 and enter it. I will run it again. Now I enter 7 and enter it. Now you can see the remainder is 1. Okay. Now we will use this property of the remainder to write an if-else condition to check whether the number is even or not. If remainder equal to 0 and then add a colon and then press enter. Guys, please code along with me. Just don't watch this video. It will be beneficial if you code along with me. Then write print quotes even number, enter, else, enter, print. Otherwise, like if the remainder is not 0, else will contain the odd number, because an integer can be either an even or an odd number. Okay, so this is the, and we can remove this print remainder. We don't want to print the remainder part. Okay, now we can run it again. Run it, enter any integer 8 and enter it even number. Wow, perfectly working fine. Run it again. Run, enter any integer 7, enter odd number. It will also work for the negative number. Let us check it that. Run, enter any integer, say minus 12, enter even number, works. Okay, run it again, enter any number minus 21, enter it odd number. Perfectly working fine. So this was the video in which like we created a program to check whether a number is an even number or an odd number. If you find this video useful, please like my channel, please like this video and subscribe my channel so that you get instant notification in your feed. And also, like in the comment section below, you can provide any comment, any feedback. Thank you so much, Analytics Funners. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.